Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix a frozen iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, or iPhone 16 Pro Max. We've all been there. You're trying to unlock the screen, open an app, update the iOS, or transfer data, but suddenly the device freezes up and won't respond to any touch or tap. A variety of factors can cause a frozen screen on an iPhone 16. For instance, overheating, system glitches, faulty apps, low memory space, outdated iOS, and hardware damage. It could be a pain to search around and figure out how to unfreeze an iPhone 16. That's where this troubleshooting video can do you a favor to get the unresponsive phone back to work order. Make sure to follow the steps in the presented order until you manage to fix a frozen iPhone 16 screen. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Force iPhone 16 to reboot with buttons only. Whenever in doubt, just turn your iPhone 16 off and on to refresh the corrupted system. As iPhone 16 screen freezes and won't respond to touch, try to make button presses combination to reboot the device. If your iPhone 16 is frozen when overheating, make sure to cool it down first. Here's how to do that. Press the volume up key, then release it quickly. Press the volume down key, then release it quickly. Press and hold the power key for a while until the screen goes black and an Apple logo pops up. After the restart is complete, touch or tap the screen to see if it unfreezes and goes back to working order. Step 2. Inspect if there is a faulty app. If your iPhone 16 faces random freezes when opening or using a particular app, the app might be the culprit. The solution here is to force stop the app by quitting it. Here's how to do that. Swipe up from the bottom of iPhone 16 screen and hold until the app switcher shows up. Then, swipe left or right to find the app causing your iPhone 16 to freeze up. Once found, drag the app's preview card all the way up to force close it. Repeat these steps until all the problematic apps are closed. Next, go back to the home screen and take a look if the iPhone 16 freezing issues are resolved. Step 3. Spare sufficient space on your iPhone 16. Some users report that a force restart does help fix a frozen screen on iPhone 16. However, the problem is that the iPhone 16 freezes up again soon or after a while. If you run into the same issue, consider clearing storage on the device. After forcing restart your iPhone 16, head to the Settings app. Tap General. Choose iPhone Storage. Check the total usage of device storage. Then, scroll down to find which apps are taking up the most space and delete unused files from these apps to free up space. For example, if the Photos app uses most space, remove unused, unneeded or duplicated pictures and videos and empty the recently deleted album. Hope this can get your iPhone 16 unstuck from the frozen screen again. Step 4. Unfreeze iPhone 16 via recovery mode. Sometimes, you might find the iPhone 16 screen is frozen in a tricky situation. For example, the display freezes on the power off screen, update screen, Apple logo, etc. If you have no idea how to fix iPhone 16 freezing issues in such cases, applying the recovery mode might be an ideal option. Recovery mode is an iPhone's troubleshooting state that helps fix system issues that prevent it from booting or operating normally. Introduced by the official troubleshooting page, entering recovery mode allows you to update or restore the device in a computer with specific applications. We'll show you the detailed instructions below. Grab the official charging cable to connect your iPhone 16 to a Windows PC or a Mac. Then, open iTunes or Apple Devices app. Especially, if you're using a Mac with Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later, launch Finder instead of iTunes. To put iPhone 16 series into recovery mode, press then quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Follow up by pressing and holding the sleep/wake button on the right side. When the restore screen appears with a plug into the laptop icon, let go of the button and it's in recovery mode. If you mistakenly release the button when seeing the Apple logo or can't see the recovery mode screen, it's okay. Just repeat the steps to try again. Alright, next, take a look at your computer, where a pop-up with Update and Restore button should appear. If not, locate your device icon at the program and click it to open the dialog box. To fix an unresponsive iPhone 16 screen that is frozen without data loss, click the Update option. Complete the following instructions until the update process begins, which might take at least 1 hour to finish. Your iPhone 16 will boot up automatically once the update ends. Test if the freezing and lagging screen issue is settled. If not, it's required to choose Restore to perform a factory reset using the same instructions to fix a frozen phone touchscreen on iPhone 16. This step is only advised to attempt after checking there is a backup available for your personal data saved on iPhone 16. Step 5. Reach out the support. If you've attempted all of the above and iPhone 16 still keeps freezing, it might be time to get in touch with the phone company's support team. Schedule an appointment at a nearby repair shop and take your iPhone 16 there. The technician will perform a diagnostic test on the phone's hardware to determine if any components are malfunctioning and causing the frozen screen issues. The cost to fix a frozen iPhone 16 screen will depend on the diagnostic results and whether the device is covered by a warranty or Apple Care plan. That's all for how to fix a frozen iPhone 16 screen. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.